Hello students, welcome to Maths Plus. Today we are going to start scholarship exam question papers discussion. Then see in paper 1, question number 1 to 25 are English and question number 26 to 75 are about maths. Then see here question paper given, that is February 2019. Then see first question, which number will occur consecutively after 5 crores 9 lakhs 77,591? See here first given question, read carefully, that is the very important, and write down given number 5 crores 9 lakhs 77,599, and consecutively means after, means it's a successor. Then to get the successor we have to add 1 to it. Then after addition we are getting 5 crore 9 lakh 77,600, that is the option 1. Okay. Then see second question, between which two decimal fractions does 0.561 lie? You know about the like fractions in decimals, 0.500 to 0.561 we want, means in between. See here option 0.5 and 0.560. It is not possible because 0.561 asked, means first option is not there. See second option 0.50 and 0.60. Yes, it will be lie in between these two. 0.50, why? See 0.500 to 0.600, here in between these two. How many decimal fractions are here? 0.500, 0.501, 0.503, like this up to 0.600, means 0.561 will lie in between these two decimal fractions. Question number 28, see, a triangle has 3 vertices. We know a triangle has 3 vertices. But here what done? If a rectangle is formed joining 2 triangles, rectangle formed by joining 2 triangles, and how many vertices will it have? See how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 vertices, means option 1 is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 29. For annual general meeting of Utkarsh Cooperative Society, out of 2,240 members, 35% women shareholders were present. If 100% shareholders were present, then how many men shareholders attended the annual general meeting of the society? See students, here all 100% means 2,240 members were present. Out of that 35% women shareholders, means, and here asked how many men shareholders. To find the number of men, we have to find first how many number of women present there. So find first how many number of women present. 35% of 2,240, solve it. 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 112 into 7 is equal to 784. 784 are the women. Then men number have to find out. So number of men is equal to 2,240 minus 784 is equal to what answer comes? See, 1,456, means first option is correct answer here. See students, while attempting the question, read question carefully what given in that, and then solve a rough work. You can do their rough work a special place given there, each and every page you can do their rough work, and then after solving only tick the correct answer. Then next question, see, how many times is the greatest divisor of 52 is that of the smallest divisor? 52's, find out the divisors. Divisor means which number is divisible to 52. Means see here, smallest divisor always 1 and greatest divisor is that number itself. If you know about this, then only you can solve this question easily. And how many times is the greatest divisor of 52? 52 times. So option 4th is correct, because 1 how many times? 52 times. Okay. Next question. How many notes of rupees 10 can one get if one gives 30 coins of rupees 5? 5 rupees and coins 30 means total how many rupees? 150. And we have to find the number of notes. Then 150 divided by 10, 0, 0 cancel. Answer is 15. Option 3 is correct. Okay. Next question number 32. Form the greatest 6-digit odd number and smallest 6-digit even number using the digits from 1 to 9 only once. Then see, 1 to 9 how many digits and which digits are here? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All this digit we have to use, and we have to make greatest 6-digit number. Greatest 6-digit number, see, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. But see here, 5, 4 if we return, then 4 is even number, and here asked a odd number. Therefore just interchange the digit. 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 5. Why change the digit? Understood? Then 6-digit even number using the digits. 6-digit even number, and that number is smallest. Means start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Smallest 6-digit even number. And asked a sum means addition, and answer will be 5 plus 6, 11, 1 carry. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry. 7 plus 4, 11, 1 carry. 8 plus 3, 11, 1 carry. And 9 plus 2, 11. This answer is there. Then where is the answer? See, option 2 is the correct answer. Let's discuss question number 33. Onkar passed an exam scoring 510 marks. If he has 68% marks, then for how many marks was the exam conducted? Then see, 68% of total marks we don't know. X is equal to 510 marks he got. Then solve this. X is equal to what will come? 510 into 68 upon 100. When move to opposite of equal sign, it will come 100 upon 68. And after solving this, we are getting answer 750. 750 marks exam conducted. Okay, you can solve and check it. Next question number 34. What is the difference between the greatest and the smallest fraction if 3 upon 5, 3 upon 2, 3 upon 8, 3 upon 7 are arranged in descending order? See here, question which fractions given. These all fractions numerator is same, that is 3. And when numerator is same, that time which has greater denominator, that fraction is smallest. Means 3 upon 8 is the smallest fraction. Then which one will come? 3 upon 7, 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 2. This is the descending order. And what asked? What is the difference between the greatest and the smallest? 3 upon 2 and 3 upon 8. Then subtract 3 upon 2 minus 3 upon 8. See here, denominator we have to make equal, so multiply by 4 upon 4 to first fraction. 3 4s are 12 upon 2 4s are 8 minus 3 upon 8 is equal to 12 minus 3, 9 upon 8. But here see, 9 upon 8 is not here in answer. Then what we have to check? Which is the equivalent fraction. See, first option is correct. 9 2s are 18 and 8 2s are 16. So option 1 is correct answer for confusing like these options given. So be careful while tick the correct answer. Next question, see, question number 35. If a number is multiplied by 8 instead of 5, the product increases by 39. Then what is the number? See here, like this question, we have to make equation. It's easy to solve. Let a number be x. All steps not necessary to write. Just a rough work you can do. If a number is multiplied by 8, then for your understanding I am writing here, but at the exam time not necessary. Let a number be x. Then if multiply by 8 means 8x, but instead what happen? Number multiply by 5 means 5x, and then product increases by 39. Then solve 8x minus 5x. Why minus 5x? This 5x here added to 39, move to opposite of equal sign, it will subtract, is equal to 39. 3x is equal to 39, means x is equal to 39 divided by 3 is equal to 13, means that number is 13. Option 3 is correct answer. Okay, then question number 36. A paper is folded according to the figure and a cubical box is made. Which letter will be there opposite to the surface with letter R? Opposite of letter R. See here, little bit thinking, logical thinking we have to. U and A will opposite. If we folded, U and A will opposite. Then when R will come here and R's opposite will come L. So option 1 will be correct answer. Okay, I hope you understood this question. Then see the question number 37. Which of the following expressions is wrong? See, 4 options given. 7 into 8 divided by 4 is equal to 14. For this question, you should know the how we have to solve this sum. To following the order: BODMAS, BODMAS. Then first equation, 7 into 8 divided by 4. First we have to follow division, means 7 into 2 is equal to 14. 7 2s are 14 into 14 means this equation is correct, and here asked a wrong equation. Second one, see, 3 9s are 27. 9 into 3. See, this one is wrong, but then still check third and fourth option. 18 minus 13, 5. 5 plus 5, 10, means this one is correct. Then next, 16 plus 5 minus 12. 16 plus 5, 21 minus 12 is equal to 9, means this one is correct. And wrong statement expression asked, so option 2 is correct. Like this question, solve carefully. Sometimes students solving correct answer and without reading question carefully, you are taking the option 1 only. So be careful while solving. Next, question number 38. Joseph bought half a dozen pencils at the rate of rupees 3.50 per piece, means one pencil for 3.50, and 2 pens at the rate of rupees 12.50 per pen. If he give rupees 50 to the shopkeeper, how much money will he get back? See here, first we have to find the price for 6 pencils. For 6 pencils, how much he paid? One pencil price is 3.50 into 6 is equal to rupees 21. And for 2 pen, how much he paid? Rupees 12.50 into 2 is equal to rupees 25. Okay, and total how much he paid? 50 rupees. From that 50, 21 plus 25. How much? 46. 46 have to subtract, means shopkeeper will give him rupees 4, that is the option 3 is correct. He will get back rupees 4. Then question number 39. Rutuja gave Pranav rupees 2500 on simple interest for 6 months at the rate of 8% per annum. PA means per annum. How much interest will Pranav pay to Rutuja for 6 months? See here what asked. Interest have to find out. To find the interest formula, we should know what is the formula. Simple interest is equal to PNR upon 100. Some books given PNT, PRT or PNR. N or T means time. Okay. Then here see, P means principal how much? 2500 into N given 6 months, and 6 months is equal to half year. Yes na? 6 months is equal to half year. Therefore, we will use here value 1 upon 2 into rate how much? 8 upon 100. And this 2 will come here into 2. Then solve this. 2 1 za 2, 2 4 za 8, 25 4 za 100. Then how much Pranav will pay to Rutuja? Rupees 100 as interest. Understood? Question number 40. What is the difference between the sum of the place value of the digits in thousands and tens place in the number 26,586 and the sum of place value of digits in the hundreds and tens place? See, read question carefully. Difference asked. But whose difference? Sum of the place value of the digits in thousand place. Thousand place, which digit is there? 6000. And tens place means 6080. How this answer come? I hope you understood. 6000 plus 80 means 6080 answer come. And the sum of place value of digits at the 100 place and tens place, that is 580. And what asked? Difference asked. Difference asked means subtract a smaller number from greater number. 0 minus 0 0, 8 minus 8 0, 10 minus 5 5, and here 5, 5500 means option 2 is correct answer. Okay, see the question number 41. Magan Sheth sold 52 liters of milk for rupees 2184 and earned a profit of rupees 364. Find the cost price of milk per liter. Means see, first you should know profit, selling price, cost price, it's a meaning, and what is the difference in that. Here profit given. Magan Sheth earned a profit and sold a 52 liters of milk, means actual cost price we have to find out. To that, what we have to do? 2184 minus 364, because 364 is the profit. Then subtract 4 minus 4 0, 8 minus 6 2, 11 minus 3 8 and 1, 1820. But here what asked? Cost price of milk per liter, and this cost price we got for 52 liter. Therefore, to find 1 liter cost price, we have to divide 1820 divided by 52. 52 3s are 156. 12 minus 6 6. Here 7 minus 5 2, 1 minus 1 0, carry out 0, 260. Then 52 5s are 260. Here after subtraction remainder will come 0 0, means rupees 35 per liter is the correct answer. See, within few seconds we are solving these, but for this what is important, some tricks here. Directly how I took here 52 3s are, see, first I have checked the first digit of the divisor, it is 5, and here first digit of the dividend is 1, means smaller than 5, so considered next two digit means 15, and then I have checked 5 3s are 15, and so I have taken here 3s are, like this 5s also. Remainder is 26, carry out 0, 260, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, means here we have to check 5 5s are. Okay, means for maths what is important? Yes, practice is important. Next 43 question. 30-meter long rope is cut at 5 places. What will be the length of 2 pieces? Here students getting confusion. See students, when suppose this is the 30-meter long rope cut at 5 places, means how many pieces we are getting? We are getting 6 pieces, not 5. So many students considering cut at 5 places, or how much number here given, that many they are considering pieces, but one extra we have to consider. 5 times when we are cutting, we are getting 6 pieces. 1 2 3 4 5 6, means one piece will be 5 meter and 2 pieces obviously 10 meter. Then it's easy. Option 2 is correct answer. What is the question number 44? What will be the sum of the first and third number if the numbers 32,321, 32,312, 32,231, 32,123 are arranged in descending order? For these we have to first arrange all these numbers as descending order. Then see, 32,321 is greater than 32,312 is greater than 32,231 and is greater than 32,123. And what asked? Sum we have to find for the first and third. First and third. Then add 32,321 plus 32,231. What answer we are getting? See, 64,552. 1 plus 1 2, 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 2 5, 2 plus 2 4 and 3 plus 3 6. So option 6 is the correct answer. What is the question number 45? See, when a shirt is sold at rupees 400, the profit earned is 3/8 times the selling price. What is the cost price of the shirt? See, selling price given rupees 400. Now instead of RS we are using Marathi R, and in small dash is between that is rupees symbol. Rupees 400 earned 3/8 times the selling, means profit how much got? Profit is equal to 3/8 into 400, means 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40 and 3 fives are 50, rupees 150 is the profit. And what asked? Cost price of the shirt means 400 minus 150, rupees 250 is the cost price of the shirt, means option 3 is the correct option. Cleared? Question number 46. Every day Roshni buys 1/4 liter of milk. What will be her bill amount for the month of August if the rate is rupees 50 per liter? For this we should know how many days in the August month. How many days? Yes, 31 days in the August month, and he purchased 1/4 liter means 250 milliliter. 1 liter means 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Half liter means 500 milliliter, and 1/4 liter means 250 ml. So here how much total milk she buys? To find that number we have to multiply 31 into 250 and answer we are getting 7.750. From where what point? To convert it into liter to milliliter. For this here given point, not for answer. 7 liter 750 milliliter means for 7 liter see 50 into 7 rupees 350. In 750 we will split that 500 plus 250. We will split 750 means for this half liter milk how much price will be there? Rupees 25. And for 1/4 liter milk half of 25 means 12.50. And add these all three numbers, what answer we are getting? Rupees 387.50. That is option 4 is correct answer. Okay. Next question number 47. Complete the sequence observing the pattern and choose the correct option. Very easy question. See, from here this square moved from first and kept to third. Again, and remaining plus and star kept as it is. Plus moved from first place, kept at third place. Means now star will come last and square and plus will come as it is. Means which option C? Yes, option 1 is the correct answer. Question number 48. Pradnya had 5 dozen copies. She gave half of the copies of Anushka. Now here see 5 dozen copies. Means 1 dozen is equal to how much? 1 dozen is equal to, yes, 12 copies. And therefore 5 dozen means how many copies? 12 5s are 60 copies. She gave half of the copies to Anushka. To Anushka how much he gave? Half of the 60 means 30 copies. 1/5 times of the copies to Prajwal. For Prajwal how much she gave? Prajwal 60 into 1 upon 5 means 5 ones are 5, 5 12s are 60 means 12 copies given to Prajwal. How many copies are remaining with her? 30 plus 12, 42. And total copies she had 60. Then subtract 60 minus 42. 18 is the correct answer. Means how many copies are remaining with Pradnya? Yes, 18. Option 3 is correct option. See the question number 49. Shrikant bought a watch at rupees 900. He gave equal number of notes of denomination rupees 10, rupees 20, rupees 50, rupees 100. Find the number of notes of rupees 20 that he gave to the shopkeeper. See, just turned and asked a question. For this we have to make equation. See, he gave equal number of notes means rupees 10. How many notes he gave? Same number he gave for rupees 20, rupees 50, rupees 100. Means we can make equation 10x plus 20x. What is meaning of the x? Number of notes. 50x plus 100x is equal to total how much amount he paid? Rupees 900. And solve that equation. 10 plus 20 plus 50 plus 100. It is 180x is equal to 900 means x is equal to 5. Means he gave rupees 20 also 5 notes. Yes, got it? Then option 3 is correct answer. Question number 50. What is the question number 50? Mangal Kaku purchased 6016 saplings of lemon. She planted 47 saplings in each row. How many rows will be formed of those saplings? Means what we have to do here? Yes, we have to divide 6016 divided by 47. 47 ones are 47. 60 minus 47. 13 carry out 1. 47 twos are 94. Subtract 37 carry out 6 and 47, 8 is 376. After subtraction, remainder will come 0, 0. Means 128 rows will be formed. See, understood? See students, read question carefully and what asked. For that 2-3 seconds you can think and then only you solve what operation given there. Operation means not that operation in doctor you are saying. Plus, minus means addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. These all are the mathematical operation in maths. Okay, we have to check what given in question carefully and then only solve. Okay, question number 51. 480 centimeter is equal to how many decameter? For this conversion, you know about the 1 centimeter is equal to how many decameter? 0.001 decameter. You should know all these conversation. And here 480 centimeter is equal to then how many decameter? Multiply it. 480 into 0.001 is equal to 0.480 decameter. Okay, then see here 0.48, this 0 written, not written, no problem. Sometimes given in option, sometimes not given. Here not given, option 2 is the correct answer. What is the question number 52? 5th January is Tuesday. Which day of that month will not occur 5 times? Means see, what is the answer? Monday will not occur 5 times. For this you should know on which month which day occur 5 times. Means date and day. You should know about that. Or easy trick I will tell. See, on January, 5th January is Tuesday. Means see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On 5 it is Tuesday, means here 4 Monday, then Sunday, Saturday, Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, then see here 6 and 7. And in January month there are 31 days. Yes, then check on Tuesday there will come after 5, next Tuesday will be 12, 19 and then 26. Then here 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Means only Monday will come 4 times, not 5 times. Therefore answer 4th option Monday is correct. Okay. Next question number 53. The length and breadth of a rectangle is 12 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively. Length given 12 centimeter, breadth 8 centimeter respectively, means length 12, breadth 8. What will be the area of square whose perimeter is equal to the perimeter of the given rectangle? See, for this we should know about the formulas. What is the formula? Perimeter of rectangle. What is the perimeter of rectangle formula? 2 in bracket L plus B, means length into breadth, is equal to what given here? What will be the area of square whose perimeter is equal to the perimeter of given rectangle? Means what is the formula for perimeter of square? 4 into side, and these both are equal. Why? Because here given in question. Then 2 in bracket 12 plus 8 is equal to 4 into side. Then 12 plus 8, 20, 40 is equal to 4 into side. Means side of the square will be 10. How come 10? 40 divided by this 4. Okay. And then what is the area of this square? We know area of the square is equal to side into side. And side into side, 10 into 10 means 100 square centimeter. See, for perimeter unit will be same as centimeter, because we are adding just all sides of the given figure. And area means we are finding area, this all portion inside. and so here will come square centimeter. Side into side means centimeter into centimeter, that's why centimeter square. Sometimes for confusion, one option is possible given as 100 square centimeter, another option is 100 centimeter. So be careful while tick the correct answer. Okay, question number 54. Which numbers will occur in place of star, square and triangle? How easy question. See, here given subtraction, this number minus this number, answer, and here subtraction done. Like this question will come, then we have to rearrange this example. We know this subtract minus this answer difference, we were getting this bigger number. Then first rearrange the number. 5 square 2 3 plus 4 square 5 and 4, and this first number 8 star 2 rectangle and triangle and rectangle. Okay, then see 3 plus 4 7, we know this means 7. Okay, but where were given, there write down 7. 2 plus 7 9 means triangle value we got 9. 7 plus 5 12, 1 carry, 5 plus 1 6 plus 7 13, 1 carry, 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8 means star means 3. Understood? How easy na? But what is the important? See, while tick the correct option, be careful which sequence asked here, because see each and every option 7 9 and 3 digits only rearranged, and so many students confused here while tick the correct answer. First see star asked, and what is the value of star? 3 means first option check. Then square means 7, yes correct, and triangle means 9 means option 1 is the correct answer, though each and every places these digits only repeated, but sequence we have to check carefully. Okay, first option is correct here in this example. Next question number 5. What will be the rate of interest if rupees 5000 fetch rupees 1350 as simple interest after 3 years? Means in formula we know simple interest is equal to PRN upon 100. Then what is the value? P's value 5000 into rate we have to find out into 3 years time given upon 100, and here simple interest given 1350, rate we have to find out. See these two zeros cancelled, numerator and denominator place, then 5 3s are 50 will come this side, 1350 divided by 150, 0 0, 15 1s are 15 15, 9s are 135 means rate of interest come 9% per annum. Okay, easy sum is there, just we know the formula. Okay, next question number 56. Write the Roman numerals L, X, V, D, C, M in descending orders. Yes, I am telling again and again, I, V, X, L, C, D, M. What is the value of I? 1, V, 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, and M means 1000. And here which one given? L, this value given, L, X, V, D, C, M. Then see, have to descending order means first will come obviously M. Last fourth option is correct. Not necessary to check all because M only one time given first. Okay, means M value is greater than others. Okay, but then also check D's value 500,000, 550, L means 50, then 10 and then 5. Okay, so option 4 is correct answer. Next, let's discuss question number 57. Out of one ream paper, 5 quires were used for printing and 36 papers were wasted during printing. How many papers will remain? To solve like this question, we should know one ream means how much? 20 quires. Okay. From these 20 quires, 5 quires were used for printing, means remains now 15 quires. Okay. Out of these 15 quires, 36 papers were wasted. Okay. Then see here, 15 quires remain. Then 15 quires remain. And 1 quire is equal to 24 papers. 1 quire is equal to how many papers? 24 papers. Okay. Then 15 quires into 24. 15 quires into 24, total how many papers? 324 papers remain. But from that 36 papers were wasted. Then total how many papers will remain? After subtraction we are getting 324, means option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, 324 papers remain. Next, question number 58. Gauri, Hamida, Mary and Ishwari are friends. Yes, today is the friendship day and question come about the friends. They are standing in a circular manner. They can shake hands with each other only once. See, one, my drawing is not nice, just consider. These 4 girls are standing like this, facing toward us, each other, and they can shake hands with each other only once. How many times will the hand be shaken? See, first suppose this is the Gauri, Hamida, Mary and Ishwari. Then Gauri can shake hand with Hamida. Hamida can shake hand with Mary. Mary can shake hand with Ishwari and Ishwari shake hand with Gauri. Means how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Option 2 is the correct answer. Question number 59. Find the incorrect statement from the given alternatives. When any number is divided by 1, quotient is the same number. Yes, this is the correct statement. We have to find incorrect statement. When any number is divided by itself, quotient is 0. No, quotient is 1. When any number is divided by itself, quotient will be 1, not a 0, means second option is incorrect. Then also let's check third and fourth option. When any number is divided by itself, quotient is 1. Yes, correct. And when remainder is added to the product of divisor and quotient, 1 gets dividend. Yes, correct. We know the formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Means option 2 is the correct answer. But here what asked? Incorrect statement. So we have to take the option 2. Okay. And question number 60. Which of the following alternative indicate the equivalent fraction to the shaded portion in the figure? See here, how many parts make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts made. Out of these, 3 parts are shaded and equivalent fraction asked. Then here see, first option only 3 11s are 33 and 8 11s are 88, means equivalent fraction is the first one only. So answer 1 is correct. Okay, students, today we are going to stop here. Remaining questions we will discuss tomorrow in next video. So we are going to stop here. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and share it to your friends, so your friends also will get help to score high marks. Thank you.